Welcome to another episode of Watch Once Over. My name is Big E. Today we're going to be looking at this Casio Rangeman. This is available right now at azfintime.com. It has a retail price of $330, and this is the GW9400Y-1, and it has the 3410 module. Now I'll leave a link in the description of exactly how to use this watch because there is a lot to unpack and I'm not going to be able to do all that today, but I did want to show you this new colorway. This usually comes in black, and where all the yellow is, it's red, but I like this one. As you know, I'm from Pittsburgh. I really do enjoy this colorway. Now it has a full lit, beautifully clear display. um, it has especially a hardened crystal on here. I don't know what it's made out of. Similar to Gorilla Glass is what I've been able to find. And this is a 6-button watch. You have no crowns on here, just pure buttons to adjust everything. This is a light button right here. Um, this button right here instantly takes you to your triple sensors. As you can see, this is a triple sensor watch. It's also tough solar, and right here you have your sensor behind these louvers right here. And this watch has been a classic, and you'll instantly notice it when I put the link up if you look at that of how to use it. Now, I'm probably going to pick one of these up for myself, and because I love the yellow and black motif on here. It is real nice. But to go through some of the basic features, you push this mode button right here. You got your real time function, your stopwatch, your countdown timer, and then you have your alarms, um, along with your triple sensors. You can push this button over here, and it goes directly to your compass, as you can see. And using this round display along with the other two displays, you can see I'm pointing south southwest, and as you move it around, it changes the direction, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. You have your barometer. It can tell you if it's going to rain or not. Then you have your altimeter, tells you how far above sea level you are, and then back to your compass. If you want to get out of that, you can just press the mode button again, and then it just goes to your basic time, your day of the week, and you see it's February 2nd. Now, you have to remember this is also atomic. Now, I'm moving on the dial a little bit, and you can see that it is multi-band 6, and it picks up an atomic signal every night, and so this watch is always going to be exactly correct. That's one of the things I like. And if you don't have an atomic watch, it's a good watch to pick up to set all your other watches too. Beautiful yellow and dark um, charcoal gray case. It's not exactly black. It's black, but it's more of a really dark charcoal. Metal hardware, as you can see, you have twin pinholes for extra security on this one. Then on the back, you have the classic Rangeman cat. Uh, Looks like the ever ready cat all shock resist on there. And the watch is just a great watch. One of the reasons why this watch is so popular is because don't like to connect. Some people don't like to connect their watch to their phone. So this is a standalone unit. You don't have to have a smartphone to use any of the features on here. And that is one of the things that a lot of people like. That's never going to go out of style because there's a lot of people who want to be off the grid and don't want to deal with Bluetooth enabled devices. They just want the old school multi-band 6 atomic watch, and that's what you have here. And now the display, I'll light that up for you. It has a beautiful backlit display. That's what it looks like right there. It's extremely powerful, and you can set that up to go off when you tilt the watch at certain angles, and it's real nice. Um, this is available at azfintime.com. It's $330. It's available right now. and it fits really, really nice. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my wrist, which is 7.25 inches. I love these grab and go watches like this. It's awesome. This is ready for any kind of work or play. Beautiful, beautiful yellow and black motif, I have to say. So you can pick this up at azfinetown.com. My name is Big E. I'll leave a link directly to this watch in the description, and I'll also leave a link of how to use it if you're interested. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. God bless. And as usual, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for checking me out.